Look at this feed. Every day, creators post content talking about the clothes they wear, the tech they use, and the routines they follow. They are constantly recommending products to their audience and doing it entirely for free. By the end of this video, you are going to transition from making those recommendations for free to building a professional storefront featuring 3 to 5 products you actually use, allowing you to earn a commission on those sales automatically. To do this, you do not need to pause and build a massive following of 80,000 people first. You also don't need upfront capital, and you don't need to manufacture your own inventory. Affiliate marketing is simply a way to capture the financial value of the trust you have already built with your audience without turning your content into a walking billboard. Step 1 is defining exactly what you talk about. Pin down your specific content niche, whether that is tech, fitness, or skincare, and select just 2 or 3 products you already use. This diagram illustrates what happens when you stray from your lane. If you run a fitness channel and suddenly promote frying pans to chase high commissions, the result is 0 conversions. To get links, you could apply to individual brands one by one, but a more efficient route is a creator platform. Through a single sign-up on Zokera, you gain immediate access to over 1,000 brands at once. Combining authentic product choices with a centralized platform sets the foundation for a sustainable income stream. On the left, an amateur mistake, a chaotic social bio cluttered with random tracking URLs. On the right, a professional unified link hub. Your next step is to set up a centralized storefront page where all of your curated product recommendations live in one organized space. Some specialized creator platforms, like Zokera, include a built-in mechanic for these storefronts called follower cashback. This feature provides a direct financial incentive for your audience. When they buy through your storefront, they get money back, giving them a clear mathematical reason to click your link instead of navigating directly to the brand's website. An organized storefront clears the digital clutter, transforming a messy profile into a trustworthy retail space. Now that your storefront is ready, you have to drive traffic to it. Dropping a link into a caption is insufficient. You need contextual content, like an honest review video or a top 5 listicle that shows the product in action. Take that storefront link and place it exactly where your specific audience naturally congregates. If you run a WhatsApp community, pin it in the chat. If you use YouTube, put it at the top of the description box. When you speak about the items, use your own words. Copy-pasting corporate product descriptions sounds robotic and kills your conversion rate. Your audience follows you for your specific voice. As you see on this layout, you must always disclose that you're using an affiliate link. Transparency keeps you compliant and protects your credibility. Absolute transparency, paired with contextual product education, is the primary driver that converts a passive viewer into an active buyer. Step 5 is learning to measure your audience's response, and your analytics dashboard is the tool you use to do it. This funnel chart shows clicks filtering down to conversions. A leak at the wide top means your content format failed to capture attention. High clicks leaking before the narrow base means the product was too expensive or irrelevant. Optimization is a data-driven process. Expect to spend 3 to 6 months consistently observing these numbers and adjusting your approach before you yield a reliable income. You now have the complete blueprint. You know how to build a live, organized storefront that offers real value to your audience through cashback, while establishing a path for your own passive income. Your immediate task is straightforward. Register on a creator platform, add your first 3 to 5 vetted products to your storefront, and record a single piece of honest review content to publish this week. This visualization represents what happens next. Once your links are live, this digital infrastructure continuously tracks and monetizes your organic recommendations around the clock. True creator independence comes from systemizing the trust you have built into a measurable ecosystem, one that rewards both you and your audience.